Hi, in this video I'll show you how to work with arrays and methods. Let's create a project, new Java project, arrays, methods. And I'll create a driver class. Alright, and here I will create an array, call it numbers equals, and let's put some numbers in it. Alright, so I have numbers, and what I want to do now, I want to display these numbers in another method. So I'll call another method and display a few of these numbers. So let's create a method first. Public, alright, display array numbers, and let's just do simple, very simple displaying of array numbers. So first I need to pass the array here because the array is not visible to me in this method because it's a local variable. I want to get something at position 0, so this is my index. But you see how even though I'm calling numbers, same name as this variable, but when I hover over it says numbers cannot be resolved to a variable, so it's not recognizing this variable. Because it is a local variable, it's only visible inside main method. So what I need to do, I need to pass this array to this method, and then I can get the values from it. So to do that, I just have to show what this method must receive. So it has to be integer array, and I will give it name numbers. I don't have to give it the same name. I can make something like that, nums. Then I have to modify this as well. Alright, and now in my main method, in order for this method to execute, I need to call this method. So I'll call it from main method, and I will pass numbers to this method. So these numbers will come here and then get here and then print the value at position 0. I need to make this method static because my main method is static. And let's run it and see. Index 0 is the first element, so I should see number 1 printed in console. I can see number 1 is printed. I can print some other value as well. Let's print a couple. So let's print something at position 3 and at position 5. So at position 3, what would be the number? So it starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So it should be 2. 4, 5. So 5 is going to be 8. Let's run and see. So 1, 2, and 8, just like what we expected. So this is how you pass array to a method. Doesn't matter what type of array you make, it's the same way that you need to pass, except you have to change the type. The type has to correspond to whatever you're passing. You can also put this method in another class. Let me create another class. Array printer, save. So I can leave it static. although there's another video on static methods, but let's leave it static. So if it's static, I access it just from the class level, because static methods are class level methods. And num cannot be resolved because I need to pass this value over here, this variable, numbers. All right. So, but the logic is exactly same in my method here. So I should get 128, and then I should get again 128. Let's run 128, and once more 128. So everything is working as expected here.